Crime has increased so much, and criminals are fleeing by committing crimes. But even after fleeing, the mark remains. A culprit is traced, collecting DNA from that sample, which is obtained from that mark. Dear students, hope all of you understand today's topic. Yes, today we learn from chapter 11 biotechnology, and the topic is gene cloning, genome sequence, DNA fingerprint, and GMO. Today, here with you, this is me, Shahnaz Parveen, lecturer, Department of Biology, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. So let's move to our discussion. Learning objects. Advantages and disadvantages of gene cloning. Application of genome sequencing. Advantages and disadvantages of GMO. At first, we learn gene cloning. The process of producing replica copies of a gene or a DNA segment is known as gene cloning. Gene is the fundamental unit of heredity which regulates a particular feature of an organism. Advantages of cloning. Produce identical prototype animals with better qualities. More than one individual organisms with identical genetic features can be obtained by cloning. It's a process of multiplication of endangered animals or plants. No male partner is required to produce offspring in this process. It's more effective in future than the normal breeding program. This process can be more effective to preserved for longer period. Disadvantages of cloning. The rate of success in animal cloning is very rare till today. It is very costly technique. More than one identical individuals are produced in cloning. This narrows down biodiversity. Animal cloning requires a second female animal beside the egg donor which functions as the surrogate mother. Human cloning may be very dangerous and many create social unrest. It is considered as a crime against the humanity in many countries and they have banned such activities on humans. Genome sequence. The number of chromosomes containing all the genetic information specific for the species is known as the genome. The sequential arrangement of nucleotides in the same DNA molecules is known as gene sequence or genome sequence. It is the master blueprint of the organism. This process of deciphering the genome sequence is known as genome sequencing. Every organism somatic cell contains nucleus. Nucleus contains two sets of chromosomes. Set of chromosomes also carry a set of genes and genes carrying all the information which is necessary for the organism. The human body cell contains a number of chromosomes. So, human genome consists of 23 chromosomes. These chromosomes carry a set of genes which is responsible for the characteristics and remain arranged on the chromosome in linear order. A gene is the fundamental unit of genetic information and it is a part of DNA molecules which is consisting of several hundred nucleotide pairs. That means a cell contains nucleus and nucleus contains chromosome. Chromosome's chemical component is DNA, that means deoxyribonucleic acid. So, DNA is consist of 5-carbon ribose sugar, nitrogenous base and phosphate molecules. Nitrogenous bases are thymine, adenine, guanine and cytosine. So, a DNA contains a lot of genes. So, we can say nucleus contains a lot of genes. Bangladeshi scientist Dr. Maqsudul Alam and his co-workers have unveiled the genome sequence of Tosha jute, Corchorus oleterius. In this slide, you can see Bangladeshi microbiologist Dr. Sejuti Saha and his father MD Saiful Islam Shojib. They are successfully completed the genome sequencing of virus causing COVID-19. Now we learn DNA fingerprint. The DNA sample of the whole genome of a person is collected and cut into segments by a restriction enzymes. Segments of different sizes of DNA will be produced. These segments, when separated by electrophoresis, segments of same size will accumulate in a layer in the gel and form bands. The special photographic process, the relative position and nature of the bands could be identified. All the DNA segments of the whole genome of a person thus can be photographed showing their relative position. This type of photograph of genomic DNA is known as the DNA fingerprint. Biological materials used for DNA fingerprint: blood, hair, saliva, semen, and body tissue cell. Now we learn the process of DNA fingerprint. At first, collect some sample, such as we collect blood sample. Then we extracted DNA from that blood. Then cleavage the DNA by restriction enzyme. Then gel electrophoresis of fragmented DNA. Next, gel transferred to membrane. Next, radioactive probes bind to specific fragment. Membrane washing to prepare it for exposing X-ray, and finally it's ready for comparison of DNA samples. By this process, we can identify the criminals who is responsible for the crime, suspect A or suspect B. In this slide, you can see the gel electrophoresis machine. In this slide, you can see the photographic show of DNA fingerprint. Application of genome sequencing and DNA fingerprint. Identification of suspected and criminals. Identification of dead bodies. Determination of disputed parentage. Diagnosis and treatment of diseases. Organic fuel. Research on cancer. Bioinformatics and marine biology. Now we learn GMO or genetically modified organism. GMO is an organism or crop that is used to increase the resistance to diseases and pests of different crops through genetic modification. BT brinjal is the first food in Bangladesh. Bacillus thuringiensis is a soil bacteria. BT is the toxin producing crystal gene. The transgenic method BT brinjal is produced by crystal gene transfer. BT word comes from the first letter of genus and species of bacteria. In this slide, you can see some common foods of GM: maize, canola, alfalfa, golden rice, BT cotton, soybean, potatoes, and tomatoes. Benefits of GMO or genetically modified organisms: improve air quality, protect land, conserve water, sustainable food production. Disadvantages of GMO: damages other species of native species, makes pesticide resistant, adversely affects the normal ecosystem. Gene purity can be lost. Excess protein has harmful effects on the human body. Long time required and expensive. Now I want to give you a homework. The homework is difference between tissue culture and genetic engineering. Oh, all of you understand and enjoyed a lot today's class. If you have any question, ask your subjective teacher. Thank you so much for being with me and for your attention. Allah Hafiz.